In the intricate world of stitching and crafting, where every stitch tells a story, behold the Thready's Swift Thread, a sewing machine needle threader that transcends the ordinary. It's not just a tool, it's a design marvel, a seamstress's dream, and a practical solution to elevate your sewing experience. Thready's is your needle's perfect partner, turning every stitch into a note in the harmonious melody of creative sewing. Let's delve into the design, for Thready's Swift Thread isn't just a needle threader, it's a fusion of form and function. Meticulously crafted, its automatic threading mechanism is not just a gadget, it's a commitment to providing a practical, hands-free solution for your sewing needs. This isn't just a tool, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your crafting routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a needle threader, it's a practical upgrade to the concept of effortless sewing. But what truly sets Thready's Swift Thread apart is its commitment to simplicity. This sewing machine needle threader doesn't just thread, it does so much more. Featuring an automatic threading mechanism, user-friendly design, and a compact build, Thready's becomes a companion in your quest for an effortlessly threaded needle. Whether you're quilting, creating garments, or mending fabrics, Thready's Swift Thread is the perfect partner of your sewing symphony, offering convenience in every stitch. It's not just a needle threader, it's a symphony of modern sewing ease. Versatility is Thready's virtue. It doesn't just cater to one type of fabric or thread, it adapts to your diverse sewing projects. The automatic threading ensures that your needle is threaded seamlessly, whether you're working with delicate fabrics or sturdy materials. Thready's Swift Thread is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of threading your needle. It's not just a sewing machine needle threader, it's an avant-garde solution to your stitching versatility. Operation is a breeze with Thready's Swift Thread. No need for squinting or struggling with tiny needle eyes. The automatic threading mechanism takes the frustration out of threading, and the compact design makes it easy to store and use whenever you need it, making Thready's Swift Thread a reliable sewing companion for your creative endeavors. It's not just a needle threader, it's an easy upgrade to a world of hands-free sewing. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like.